Hey, it's Kurt over at Insider Show Homes. I'm over here in Ashburn and just got done showing this nice house to a potential buyer, and I thought I'd give you guys a quick video. So we're going to walk into the front door here. And this particular home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. And let's take a look when you walk in. So you have this nice open concept. There's a family room over to our kitchen, and behind the door we have a coat closet. So let me turn the light for you. Nice big coat closet, actually. All right. Like the tile, and I'm going to scroll down real quick. Definitely digging the hardwood floors. All right, so we're going to walk into the kitchen. Look at our vaulted ceiling. Very cool. Our Whirlpool appliances, stainless steel, white cabinets. And as you guys know, these white cabinets have been very, very popular over the last couple of years. And the granite tile. And kind of the shiny, lack of a better term, the shiny backsplash is really nice too. So this is our kitchen. It's a ranch home. Generally speaking, you're going to have 3 bedrooms on the first floor and 1 in the basement, and that's what we have here today. One of the bedrooms, burned out light bulb. Oh, don't get sick. Coming in, 2nd bedroom, upstairs. Bedrooms are cozy, but again, it's a ranch home, and for those of you that have seen our videos before, you know that ranch homes, generally speaking, have smaller bedrooms. And of course, this home was staged, so it's very, very beautiful. So that same kind of shiny tile we had as a backsplash, it's just a bigger version here in the upstairs bathroom. That's very cool. All right. And our vanity. I'm going to back up here. Don't get sick on me. Now, see that hallway there to the right of the kitchen? We're going to go down there. I said hallway, I meant stairs. That's the back door to the base, or behind this door here. This is the door to the basement. And of course, this is the door to go outside. So it has a front entrance and a side entrance. Look at these beautiful stairs. I love these stairs. Oh, let me turn on the light. Heading downstairs. Very creative with the staging. Look at this beautiful tile, and this gray. It looks grayer on my phone, but it's kind of a light tannish gray. I know I'm not describing it properly, but you get the idea. Look how big this basement is. And again, you got that beautiful tile and this beautiful stairway going down. And the staging. All right, so back here to the right, I'm gonna try to walk slowly and not make you sick. You have a basement bedroom. Again, it looks blue-gray there. And of course the closet. We're not gonna go check out the closet. It's just a closet. Oh, and look what we have here. We have a little bar area. So perfect man cave type of deal for watching football. By the way, go Bears. And then we have the bathroom here on our immediate left. We'll check that out. Another full bath, as we said earlier. Again, that shiny type of tile. Their vanity. Our toilet. And then I'm going to back up, and just to the right of this we have the hookup for the washer and dryer, and then we have the paint, water heater, and HVAC. Actually, the HVAC looks fairly new. The unit itself. All right, so this is Kurt Clements with Insider Show Homes. We just looked at a property here in Ashburn that I showed to my buyer earlier. We'll be checking out a few other homes, but I thought it was interesting. I wanted to give you the update. And if you know of anybody that's looking to become a homeowner, please don't hesitate to forward this information to them. We'd be more than happy to help them purchase their home or sell their home. Again, it's Kurt Clements with Insider Show Homes. Till next time, bye-bye.